In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign contract using Smallpdf. If you've got a PDF contract that needs your signature, Smallpdf makes the process quick and secure. Start by opening your browser and heading to smallpdf.com. This site focuses on everyday PDF tasks, and the signing experience is straightforward, even if you're doing it for the first time. Once you're on the home page, click Log In at the top. To keep things simple, choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you want to use and complete the sign-in. Logging in ensures your signature is saved for reuse and lets you keep everything organized. After signing in, look for the Sign tool on the dashboard. Click that to open the signing workspace. Here, choose Sign Myself. This option is perfect when you're adding your own signature to a document you already have. If you ever need others to sign, there's a separate option to request signatures, but today we're focusing on adding your own. Next, select Sign without a seal. A digital seal can add advanced verification, but for most standard contracts, a regular electronic signature is sufficient and widely accepted. This keeps the process fast and uncomplicated. Now open the Signatures panel and click New Signature. You'll be prompted to create your signature. Use your mouse or trackpad to write it out clearly, just as you would on paper. Aim for a clean, readable version of your name that matches how you typically sign official documents. If your first attempt isn't perfect, redo it until you're satisfied. When you're happy with how it looks, click Create. This saves your signature so you can reuse it in the future without redrawing it each time, which is a great time saver if you sign documents frequently. With your signature ready, open your contract in the workspace and click on the exact spot where you want the signature to appear. You'll see it placed on the page immediately. You can drag it to fine-tune the position and gently resize it so it aligns neatly with signature lines or designated boxes. Take a moment to confirm it doesn't overlap any text and that the placement looks professional. Before wrapping up, give the document a quick review to ensure everything is accurate and clearly presented. Electronic signatures are widely recognized, but it's always a good idea to confirm that your recipient accepts e-signatures for this type of contract. And that's it. Your contract is now signed using Smallpdf. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign your next document with confidence.